Good morning, children. Welcome back to the online English classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I hope all of you are safe and fine at your home. Dear children, we have already completed the summary of the lesson, The Parrot Who Wouldn't Talk. We have also completed the new words and meanings. I hope all of you have studied it well. Now, we will discuss the question answers and listening activity from this lesson. All of you please get ready. All of you take page number 56. Comprehension. A. Match A and B to form complete sentences. You can see two boxes, column A, column B. You have to match the sentence of column A to the sentences of column B. First one. Grandmother and grandfather did not want to keep birds. Second, the parrot knocked off the spectacles. Third, the parrot was quite happy. Fourth, I was sure. 5. Aunt Ruby was upset. In column B, A. That we would never see the parrot again. B. When I fed it green chilies and ripe tomatoes. C. When the parrot said the unkind words back to her. D. That were in a cage. E. That were on Aunt Ruby's nose. So what's the first one? Grandmother and grandfather did not want to keep birds. What is the answer? Look at B, column B. What's the answer? Yes, it is D. That were in a cage. Grandmother and grandfather did not want to keep birds that were in a cage. So match it. First one with D. Second, the parrot knocked off the spectacles. What's the answer? Which one in column B? Yeah, E. What is that? That were on Aunt Ruby's nose. The parrot knocked off the spectacles that were on Aunt Ruby's nose. Third one. The parrot was quite happy. The parrot was quite happy. Yes, search in column B. What is the answer? Yeah, B. What is that? When I fed it green chilies and ripe tomatoes. The parrot was quite happy when I fed it green chilies and ripe tomatoes. Then fourth one. I was sure. Only two answers are remaining, A and C. What is A? That would never see the parrot again. So that is the answer. For fourth question, I was sure that we would never see the parrot again. Did you match it? Yeah, very good. Then fifth one, Aunt Ruby was upset. Yeah, the last one is C. When the parrot said the unkind words back to her. Aunt Ruby was upset when the parrot said the unkind words back to her. Now let us discuss answer in detail. All of you get ready. Question number 1. Why did Aunt Ruby stop liking the parrot? Why did Aunt Ruby stop liking the parrot? What's the answer? Aunt Ruby tried very hard to teach the parrot some words, but it didn't learn to speak. It also knocked Aunt's spectacles off her nose. This made Aunt Ruby stop liking the parrot. I repeat, why did Aunt Ruby stop liking the parrot? The answer is Aunt Ruby tried very hard to teach the parrot some words, but it didn't learn to speak. It also knocked Aunt's spectacles off her nose. This made Aunt Ruby stop liking the parrot. Second question. Was Aunt Ruby kind or mean towards the parrot? Give reasons. What is your opinion? Was Aunt Ruby kind or mean towards the parrot? Yes, Aunt Ruby was mean to the parrot. What is the reason? The reason, she always forced it to talk. The next reason, she was unfriendly to the parrot and made nasty comments at it. I repeat, was Aunt Ruby kind and mean towards the parrot? Give reasons. Answer is, Aunt Ruby was mean to the parrot. She always forced it to talk. She was unfriendly to the parrot and made nasty comments at it. Third question. Well, I don't suppose we will see it again. Who is the speaker and what are they talking about? I repeat, well, I don't suppose we will see it again. Who is the speaker and what are they talking about? Children, do you know the answer? Can you guess the answer? Who is the speaker? Yes, the speaker is this boy. The speaker is the boy. And what are they talking about? They are talking about the parrot who has flown out of the cage. I repeat the question once more. Well, I don't suppose we will see it again. Who is the speaker and what are they talking about? The answer is the speaker is the boy. They are talking about the parrot who has flown out of the cage. Fourth question. Aunt Ruby went ruby red and dashed indoors. Why? The question, Aunt Ruby went ruby red and dashed indoors. Why? Do you remember the instance when Aunt Ruby went inside the door? She went ruby red. Why? Yes, the answer is Aunt Ruby went ruby red and dashed indoors when the parrot repeated the same mean things that she always told to the parrot. The answer, Aunt Ruby went ruby red and dashed indoors when the parrot repeated the same mean things that she always told to the parrot. I repeat the question and answer once more. Aunt Ruby went ruby red and dashed indoors. Why? Answer, Aunt Ruby went ruby red and dashed indoors when the parrot repeated the same mean things that she always told to the parrot. Now let us just discuss think and answer. The first question, why do you think grandmother and grandfather did not want to buy the parrot? What may be the answer? Why do you think grandmother and grandfather did not want to buy the parrot? Yes, it may be because grandparents did not like these caged pets. According to them, putting the pet animals or birds in a cage, that is not a nice thing. That may be the reason. And second question, why do you think the speaker kept the cage door open? Did he know the parrot would escape? What is your opinion about it? What is your opinion? Why do you think the speaker kept the cage door open? What is the reason? Yes, the speaker wanted to set the bird free from the cage. He wanted to free the bird. So, he put the cage door open. And did he know the parrot would escape? Yes, he surely knew. He wanted to put the bird free out of the cage. And what's the third question? Who do you think the parrot liked more? The aunt or the speaker? Yes. What is the answer? The parrot liked the speaker more, or the boy. What may be the reason? Was there any difference in their behavior? Yes, the behavior of aunt and the boy is entirely different. What is the reason? The aunt behaved in a mean manner. She made the parrot to talk every time. She was teaching the parrot to talk, and she used some nasty comments at the bird. But this boy, he was very soft and kind to the parrot. He loved the parrot. He gave the parrot good food, green chilies and ripe tomatoes, even mango to the parrot. So and he never forced the parrot to talk also. With all these reasons, the parrot loved the boy more. Dear children, you need not study this think and answer. It is just for your understanding only. Okay? Dear children, today we discussed answer the following and the comprehension activity from lesson 5. Do the textual activities, that is complete the textual activities and copy down the question answers to your notebook. Write it neatly. You should study that also. I have also attached the listening activity in your Google Classroom. Listen to it carefully at least 2 or 3 times and follow the instructions accordingly. That's all for today. I hope all of you understood today's content clearly. Thank you. Have a nice day.